course, Qcash, good news! Dahil paglabas ko kanina, nanghihingi ako ng favor, 200 lang kailangan. But pag-exit ko pa lang, automatic, 10,000 na po tayo!
Pero dahil binanggit ko ang Filter Qbox, siyempre, ako, I was lucky enough to be here a couple of months ago. Nakasama ko kayo, iba sa inyo dito sa Balik Saya sa Taiwan. It was a spectacular showcase of talent ng mga Pinoy, sa totoo lang. And here tonight to shine even brighter, grabe, we have incredible performers that are brought to you none other by Qcash, a service dedicated to empower our community and supporting Filipino excellence here in Taiwan.
Okay, pag sinabi ko, your box, our mission, sabihin nyo, Qbox Delivery, your box, our mission.
Qbox Delivery.
Very good.
Isa pa? Isa pa. Qcash ha?
Oo.
Sending love, wait! That's right! So, hindi magpapauli, partner. Ang ramdam ko yan. Bilang isa sa inyo, isa rin akong OFW na talaga namang ibabandera natin ang bandila ng OFW here in Taiwan!
Pero alam mo rin sa, di ba tatlo yung distrito dito sa Taiwan? Tama ba? Pwede ba natin tingnan yung palakasan ng sigawan pag sinabi niyo will, yung kinabibilangan yung distrito?
Hey! Okay, saan? Dito! Ang taga South Taiwan! Sobrang dami. Okay, saan naman dito? Yung Central Taiwan!
Meron pa.
Of course, hindi magpapauli. Parang huwag din ito. Nandito tayo ngayon. Ang North Taiwan!
Ayun, mga kababayan. Pwede ba dahil Pasko, dapat magsama-sama tayo sa sigawan at saya, di ba? So ngayon, dapat lahat kayo, pinakamalakas sa boses nyo, sabay-sabay tayo sisigaw. 3, 2, 1! Maligayang Pasko sa inyo lahat. Ito ay pamaskong handog ni
Kilter sa ating holiday celebration. Ladies and gentlemen,
give it up for
Christopher Padilla de Jesus!
Grabe naman. Thank you so much, bro. Ganda ng po.
Living it up in the city. Got chucks on with Saint Laurent. Got a kiss with Saint Laurent. Make a dragon walk away from that. Too hot. Say my lady don't know I am too hot. And I'm there about it. Girl, sing hallelujah. Sing hallelujah. Cause I'm telling don't give it to you. Don't believe you just watch. Don't believe me, 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 just watch. Hey, hey, hey. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Hold up, bring the beat back. Wait, let me fix
Big fat move us out. Let's go. Hey, pussy say, hey, don't call me your beat. What I wanna see, just give me the D. Cause A, B, C, D, my alphabet is on. You just wanna go down. You just wanna go down.
I close my eyes and travel through realms of space and time. Welcome to the Renaissance.
Please do not be alarmed, remain calm. Do not attempt to leave the dance floor. The DJ booth is conducting a troubleshoot test of the entire system.
I'm one of one. I'm number one. I'm the only one. I'm a complicated. I'm a complicated. La 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 la, you make it scream. Ganda kong nanginginig, lalo kong mapapatingin. Di ko na kailangan na magpaganda. Dalaw ka lang panalo na. Ang filter sa camera, naturang tayo balera. Di ko kailangan sumabay pa sa puso. Ako yung magiging mo, aking ginusto. I'm a kapela, ako'y hirapan. Di magpapatira sa akin. Di ba? I'm a kapela, paano mong karisma? Ang tunay kong natasay.
Grabe naman talaga sa airflow mo. Palakpakan po natin.